lovely Sabbath and a blessed Sabbath. I'm Elaine. Hi, I'm Pauline. Oh, it's mine. Let us sing a song for you in the garden.
Alone in the garden.
I come to the garden alone while the dew is still on the roses and the voice I hear falling on my ear. The sound of God is calling, and He walks with me and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.